In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the GO2bank virtual card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using your GO2bank virtual card is an extremely simple process. You will be able to manage your virtual card and access all the card details for you to use it on online purchases through the latest version of the GO2bank mobile app or through your GO2bank account dashboard on their website. All that you have to do is find the specific card inside of the app or the dashboard and tap on the account that contains the card. Make sure that it is properly activated and unlocked, and as long as you sign into the account, selected the card, and you go into the Manage Cards window, you will find the option to show the card info. This is only going to be available for certain virtual debit cards, and all that you have to do after you tap Show Card Info is to copy the card number, expiration date, and security code. With all of those details, as you might expect, you will be able to make purchases online or in store as long as you link the card to a digital wallet. So anywhere that credit or debit cards are accepted as a payment method, just use the card details, the number, expiration date, and security code to finish your purchase during checkout. Like I said previously, you also have the option to link the card to a digital wallet and pay using your Google Wallet and Google Pay or your Apple Wallet and Apple Pay depending on the specific mobile device that you have. The process is extremely simple, and these virtual cards are much more secure because they are disposable and you can always generate new ones as necessary. If you encounter any problems while trying to do this, make sure that your default debit card is properly set up with a PIN before you can actually access your virtual debit card. Besides that, just talk to their customer support, but usually this is going to be a process that you can do on your own as long as you go into the Manage Cards window on the mobile app or the dashboard. I hope I was able to help you on how to use GO2bank virtual card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.